There's a couple of different methods for placing images from one document into another document. I'm going to use my Move tool and click on this one image layer that I have opened up of the building and click and drag it into my other image. When I let go of my mouse, you can see it's placed in its own layer on top of the background. Now when you place images from one document to the other, be aware of their size and resolution. Things may be smaller or larger depending on what the original size and resolution was, but you can change up that later. Another method is the copy and paste method. Let's say I wanted to copy part of this moon, so I'm going to use my elliptical marquee, make a selection, go to Edit and Copy, then go to my other document and Edit and Paste. In this case, it's giving me a profile mismatch. This isn't a major problem, so I'm going to say OK. And you can see it's pasted into the document that I have. I can move it and place it as necessary. Now those two methods work for two documents that are opened up. But how can we do it if we don't have a document that's opened? The first method is by using the Place function found under File and down to Place. This will ask me to find the document that I want to open up. And so let's say I wanted to place this tree JPEG. We can hit Place. And it's going to give me the option to scale it and resize it first. So I can hold down my Shift key and make sure it stays proportional. And then I need to hit the checkbox at the very top of my screen or hit Return to commit to that change. Notice, however, in our Layers palette that when I place something into there, by default, Illustrator creates a Smart Object layer out of it. Another method of doing it is finding the image on your desktop or inside of a folder. Say I wanted to place this Building 1 inside of here. Click on that image and drag it into the open window document in Photoshop. When I release, it again gives me the ability to change the size of it at first, and when I hit the checkbox, it'll commit to that change. As with the regular one, it also makes a smart object out of the image that we drug into there as well. So there are 4 different methods of placing images from one document into the other one. The first 2 create regular transparent layers. The last 2 methods will create smart object layers, and it's important to remember how to work with those.